Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top cause of why your car engine is losing power when accelerating. We will look into fuel system issues, ignition system problems, air intake restrictions, exhaust system obstructions, and engine mechanical issues. But before we continue, please hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to see my video once it drops. Let us begin. Loss of power when accelerating can be caused by various factors, and diagnosing the exact issue may require professional inspection. However, some common causes of this problem include fuel system issues. Fuel system issues can significantly impact engine performance and lead to loss of power during acceleration. Here are 5 ways fuel system problems can cause this issue. Number 1. Fuel filter clogging. A clogged fuel filter restricts the flow of fuel to the engine, limiting the amount of fuel available for combustion. This restriction can result in inadequate fuel delivery to the cylinders during acceleration, leading to a loss of power. Number 2. Dirty or faulty fuel injectors. Dirty or malfunctioning fuel injectors may spray fuel unevenly or inconsistently into the combustion chambers. This uneven fuel distribution can cause misfires or incomplete combustion, resulting in a decrease in engine power, especially under acceleration. Number 3. Low fuel pressure. A failing fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator can lead to low fuel pressure in the fuel system. Insufficient fuel pressure reduces the amount of fuel delivered to the engine, particularly during high-demand situations like acceleration, leading to a loss of power. Number 4. Fuel contamination. Contaminants such as water, dirt, or debris in the fuel system can disrupt fuel flow and combustion. These contaminants may clog fuel lines, injectors, or the fuel filter, causing irregular fuel delivery and decreased engine performance, including reduced power output during acceleration. Number 5. Fuel system leaks. Leaks in the fuel system, such as from damaged fuel lines, connectors, or seals, can lead to a drop in fuel pressure and fuel volume reaching the engine. Reduced fuel supply to the engine under acceleration can result in insufficient fuel-air mixture, leading to hesitation and loss of power. Addressing fuel system issues promptly through regular maintenance, such as fuel filter replacement, injector cleaning, and fuel system inspections, can help prevent power loss during acceleration and ensure optimal engine performance. If you experience persistent power loss issues, it's essential to consult with a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair of the fuel system problem. Ignition system problems. Ignition system problems can significantly impact engine performance and lead to a loss of power during acceleration. Here are 5 ways ignition system issues can cause this problem. Number 1. Weak or inconsistent spark. Worn or fouled spark plugs or malfunctioning ignition coils can result in a weak or inconsistent spark. This inadequate ignition spark leads to incomplete combustion in the cylinders, reducing engine power output during acceleration. Number 2. Misfires. Ignition system problems such as faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or ignition timing can lead to misfires. Misfires occur when the air-fuel mixture fails to ignite properly in the combustion chamber, resulting in a loss of power and hesitation during acceleration. Number 3. Timing issues. Incorrect ignition timing, whether too advanced or too retarded, can affect engine performance. Timing issues can cause inefficient combustion, leading to a decrease in power output during acceleration and overall engine performance. Number 4. Faulty ignition components. Components of the ignition system, such as the distributor cap, rotor, or ignition wires, may become worn or damaged over time. Faulty ignition components can disrupt the distribution of electrical energy to the spark plugs, resulting in irregular engine firing and power loss under acceleration. Number 5. Electronic ignition system. Malfunctions. Modern vehicles equipped with electronic ignition systems rely on various sensors and control modules to manage ignition timing and spark delivery. Malfunctions in these components, such as a faulty crankshaft position sensor or ignition control module, can disrupt the ignition process and lead to a loss of power during acceleration. Dealing with ignition system issues promptly by adhering to routine maintenance practices like replacing spark plugs, inspecting the ignition system, and conducting diagnostic tests can prevent power loss during acceleration and maintain peak engine performance. If you encounter persistent power loss problems, it's crucial to seek assistance from a skilled mechanic for a comprehensive diagnosis and resolution of the ignition system issue. The next issue that will make your car engine in losing power when accelerating is air intake restrictions. Air intake restrictions can significantly affect engine performance and lead to a loss of power during acceleration. Here are 5 ways air intake restrictions can cause this problem. Number 1. Clogged air filter. A clogged or dirty air filter restricts the flow of air into the engine, reducing the amount of oxygen available for combustion. This restriction leads to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture, resulting in decreased engine power output during acceleration. Number 2. Blocked mass airflow sensor, MAF. The mass airflow sensor, MAF, measures the amount of air entering the engine to ensure proper fuel delivery. If the MAF sensor becomes blocked or dirty, it may provide incorrect readings to the engine control unit, ECU, leading to fuel delivery issues and a loss of power during acceleration. Number 3. Restrictive air intake system. Some aftermarket or performance air intake systems may be designed with restrictive components that hinder airflow to the engine. This restriction can limit the amount of air available for combustion, reducing engine power output under acceleration. Number 4. Leaking intake manifold gasket. A leaking intake manifold gasket can introduce unwanted air leaks into the intake system, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. This can lead to erratic engine performance and a loss of power, particularly during acceleration. Number 5. Blocked throttle body. The throttle body regulates the amount of air entering the engine. If the throttle body becomes blocked by carbon deposits or debris, it can restrict airflow to the engine, reducing power output during acceleration. Addressing air intake restrictions promptly through regular maintenance, such as air filter replacement, MOF sensor cleaning, and throttle body cleaning, can help prevent power loss during acceleration and ensure optimal engine performance. If you experience persistent power loss issues, it's essential to consult with a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair of the air intake restriction problem. The next issue that will make your car engine lose power when accelerating is exhaust system obstructions. Exhaust system obstructions can significantly impede engine performance and result in a loss of power during acceleration. Here are 5 ways exhaust system obstructions can cause this issue. Number 1. Blocked catalytic converter. A blocked or clogged catalytic converter restricts the flow of exhaust gases out of the engine. This restriction creates back pressure in the exhaust system, inhibiting the engine's ability to expel exhaust gases efficiently. As a result, engine power output is reduced during acceleration. Number 2. Exhaust manifold leaks. Leaks in the exhaust manifold can allow exhaust gases to escape before reaching the catalytic converter. This loss of pressure can disrupt the scavenging effect in the exhaust system, reducing engine efficiency and power output, particularly during acceleration. Number 3. Collapsed or restricted exhaust pipe. A collapsed or restricted exhaust pipe limits the flow of exhaust gases from the engine. This restriction creates a bottleneck in the exhaust system, increasing back pressure and reducing engine power output, especially under high load conditions such as acceleration. Number 4. Blocked or restricted muffler. A blocked or restricted muffler impedes the flow of exhaust gases and dampens noise. If the muffler becomes clogged with debris or internal components deteriorate, it can disrupt exhaust flow and reduce engine power output during acceleration. Number 5. Exhaust gas recirculation, EGR system issues. Malfunctions in the exhaust gas recirculation, EGR system, such as a stuck EGR valve or clogged EGR passages, can affect engine performance. A dysfunctional EGR system may cause exhaust gases to recirculate excessively, leading to reduced engine power output and acceleration performance. Addressing exhaust system obstructions promptly through regular maintenance, such as catalytic converter inspection, exhaust manifold repair, and muffler replacement, can help prevent power loss during acceleration and ensure optimal engine performance. If you experience persistent power loss issues, it's essential to consult with a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair of the exhaust system obstruction problem. The next issue that will make your car engine lose power when accelerating is engine mechanical issues. Engine mechanical issues can significantly impact engine performance and lead to a loss of power during acceleration. Here are 5 ways engine mechanical issues can cause this problem. Number 1, low compression. Worn piston rings, damaged cylinder walls, or leaky valves can result in low compression in the cylinders. Low compression reduces the engine's ability to generate power, particularly during acceleration, leading to a loss of power. Number 2, overheating. Engine overheating can cause damage to internal components such as pistons, valves, and cylinder heads. This damage can result in decreased engine efficiency and power output, especially during periods of high demand like acceleration. Number 3, timing belt chain issues. A worn or stretched timing belt or chain can cause timing discrepancies between the engine's components, leading to inefficient combustion and reduced power output during acceleration. Number 4, valve train problems. Bent or damaged valves, worn valve guides, or stuck valve lifters can affect the engine's ability to intake air and fuel and expel exhaust gases. This can result in incomplete combustion and decreased power output, particularly during acceleration. Number 5, internal engine wear. Wear and tear on internal engine components such as pistons, piston rings, connecting rod bearings, and crankshaft bearings can reduce engine efficiency and power output. This wear can lead to increased friction and decreased compression, resulting in a loss of power during acceleration. Addressing engine mechanical issues promptly through regular maintenance, such as checking and replacing worn components, performing routine inspections, and monitoring engine temperature, can help prevent power loss during acceleration and ensure optimal engine performance. If you experience persistent power loss issues, it's essential to consult with a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair of the engine's mechanical problem. So if you like this video and you want to see more car maintenance tips, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our car maintenance tips. Thank you.